Hi everyone, I am Radhika. Welcome back to DataZard. Today we are going to be solving Workout Wednesday 2021 Week 47 challenge, which is around custom line chart formatting. This is a beginner friendly challenge. So, without further ado, let's get started. For today's challenge, we are given Power BI file itself from this link, and I have already downloaded the file. So, let's go into our Power BI desktop. This is the same Power BI file which was given in the challenge, and I have just opened the file. Now, to create those multiple line charts, first we need to get the bar chart so that we can do conditional formatting, and then we convert those bar charts into line charts. So I will select bar chart and get data in here. So on x axis, we need year. On y axis, we need games above 0.500. And on small multiples, we need the franchise ID. Now currently it is coming as two column chart. We want these as five columns. So let us start formatting this. So first we don't want this title. So I'm going to remove the title. So turning this off. On y axis, we don't want the title. So I will turn off the y axis title as well. Let us increase the size of y axis values so that they become visible. Then in here, if you see, we have a blank franchise coming in. So I'll go to filters here, go into franchise ID, and then select everything and unselect or deselect blank. Now going into small multiples, we want this as five rows and five columns. So that's how it should appear. Now going into border, let us keep horizontal and vertical, but because we need to remove it, I will select the color as white color so that all of these are gone. Now going into titles for small multiples, I'm going to change the font and increase the font size as well so that they become visible, and I will put it as bold. Now going into columns, for conditional formatting, I'll select this FX box, and conditional formatting should be on field value. Before we do that, let us go to our WL percent column and change into decimal and to two decimal places. And now I will click on conditional formatting. This would be based on rules. Rules would be based on the WL percent column. And now the first rule should be, if the value is greater than or equal to 0, number, and is less than 0.45, because they will be in decimal places, then we want this as a red color. Adding another rule which says, if the value is greater than or equal to 0.45 as number and is less than 0.55, then we want this as a gray color. Adding another rule here which says, if the value is greater than or equal to 0.55 in terms of number and is less than max, then we want this as a blue color. And now I will click on OK, and all of these will change the color according to what their WL percent value is. Now that this is done and we have added conditional formatting, we can change this into a line chart. So I'll go here and click the line chart so that all my visuals are get converted into line charts. Now we want these lines as of gray color. So I will go into lines and choose the color of line as this gray color. I will just go back to bar chart and change the color a bit. So going into conditional formatting, I will choose these bright colors, and for this a very light color, and then click on OK, and then I'll convert this into a line chart, and this looks much better. This is all we had to do for the challenge. We had to just use conditional formatting for line charts. I hope you have enjoyed this one. If you like the content, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.